Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove somebody from your Trello board, so let's get right into it. Now, currently I am in my board, in my workspace, and I don't have anybody else either in the workspace or in my board, so I won't be able to show you exactly how it is done. However, it is literally 3 button presses, so I'll be able to explain it to you pretty much verbally, and you should be able to understand it perfectly, so let's get right into it. Now, what you want to do to delete somebody who is in your board on Trello is to, well, enter your board first of all, and then go to the share button in the top right. Once you're here, you will see the board members, and as you can see, I have myself as admin, and I cannot remove myself. I can leave the board, however, the board must have at least one admin. Otherwise, if I wanted to leave this board, I would have to close it, but it doesn't really matter. But yeah, you will see a list of all the members of the board down here. And what you need to do is just click the arrow next to their name, click remove from board or remove, and then just click remove again to confirm it. And that's basically all you have to do. As I mentioned, it's really simple. However, I cannot show you guys how it's exactly done since I don't have anyone else on the board. Hope you don't mind and hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.